Okay, let's try to flash something on the Samsung Alpha. Okay, so see photo root, uncompress this. It has this MD5 file, and we are going to put it in download mode. So volume down, home, and power. And power. All right, it's in download mode, so we press up, right, and now we launch Odin, and we connect the phone. All right, and we would see a photo root, this file, we load it, and we press start. Let's keep it quiet here. Make sure nothing touches the cable. And we press start on Odin. All right, succeeded. It's rooting. All right, I'll press exit. And it rebooted to the operating system. Okay, so now I should have this app called Super SU here. Super SU. All right. He wants to disable Knox. Sure, why not? Knox disabled successfully. Okay, so I should have root. Okay, we are going to use flashify to flash the ROM. So we copy this to the phone. Phone, download. Yes. Okay, we are going to call it flashify. Okay, cool. Flashify. We install. I downloaded flashify from apkmirror. Open it. Can be dangerous, of course. Allow root access. Now, what do we want to flash? We want to flash a recovery image, I think. Choose a file. Let's try download TWRP. Want to flash recovery image. Choose a file. File Explorer. And we want to download storage. SD card, download. Let's try this one. Flash complete. Phew. Let's unlock and reboot now. Continue. I think I should have pressed the wrong one. I think it's follow map. Follow map home, and now it's too late. Trying to turn it off and turn it on using the up key. Alright. Follow up, home, and power. Nothing. Ah, there you go. Yes, it worked. So now I can put the custom ROM. Okay, so we need to use flashify to flash the TWRP that I can download from here. That's how it works. Otherwise, with Odin, it won't work. So you can download this file here from XDA, TWRP 311. All right. It worked.